Good evening. Video message for Wayne. Wayne, thank you for buying my beautiful Husqvarna 41. So I got home just about an hour ago, back out really early for work, but again, printed off the labels, so I'm drop this off early, first thing in the morning, so you get the saw a bit earlier than I was anticipating, which I hope that's a nice surprise. And I'll show her running one last time before I box her up. So she's not been run since the video, which was maybe it's about a week ago. Choke, yeah, choke, kill switch, throttle lock. Wayne, hope you love the saw. She straight from from stone cold to inverted idling. It's just a beautiful saw, and I hope we deal again. I'll pack her carefully and get her off first thing in the morning. Bye for now.